And you either love them or hate them. At minsan kahit gaano mo nakamahal ang asawa mo, may times talaga na sa totoo lang gusto mo siyang sabunutan. Grabe.
Then very light lang naman. Kaya it's best daw to understand what type of husband or man you have. Knowing is the first step towards understanding. Kaya para magawa natin yan, we have with us Ms. Zenia Lim Panahon from the Philippine Association of Christian Counselors.
Hi, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Beautiful women.
Likewise, ma'am. Thank you for being here. Ito daw po
Okay.
may 8 types of husbands pala.
Yes.
Yeah, mas konti kasi sa Pokemon, no? Wala lang yung i-identify mo.
Gusto ko yun na ipasok mo yun, Mars! Okay.
Ano po yung unang-una dyan?
So the first one is the ideal man. The ideal man is someone who is a family man. Priority, family. He's always present. He's a provider. And then he has a peaceful heart. Ibig sabihin nun, ano siya, hindi siya nagkukos ng trouble sa buhay.
Hindi siya pasaway.
Hindi siya pasaway. Oo.
Next
The next one is the granter. Ang granter is someone who likes to say yes to everything. He doesn't really object. He likes to be liked. Kaya oo lang siya. Kasi pag
That's a
umoo
good
siya,
thing.
Is it grunter or granter?
granter. Kasi ang pag granter,
Ang feeling ko tuloy sa grunter, negative kasi
Kasi
parang...
parang pag muli siya, you grunt, parang...
Oo.
Right.
Okay. Parang, ganun lang.
walang masyadong sinasabi.
Okay.
Parang third boundary.
The third, medyo ano yan siya, behavioral ang language niya. Because wala siyang masyadong words eh. But his boundaries are not
Pagkasunod sa
very clear.
Oo.
Medyo may pagka-people pleaser.
Kaya oo lang ng oo.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, next.
The third one is the angry one. Ang problema nitong taong ito is he needs to be dominant. And his ways are always aggressive. Surprisingly, some angry husbands even express love through anger.
Ano ko ibig sabihin nun?
For example, baka mabasa ka ng ulan, magpayong ka.
Ikli-kli naman ang damit mo, ano ba naman yan?
Oh, yan.
Pero
mga ganyan.
pagmamahal pala yun eh.
Pero pagmamahal yun sa kanya.
Okay. I see. Yun lang yung language na alam nila, na komportable sila. Okay.
Ito, yung the fourth one is medyo dangerous, no? Because the hunter, we call him that, he has a secret life.
Oh.
So he may be the ideal man, he's provider, he's good for the family, but he has excuses to disappear once in a while.
Katakot! Ayoko ng gano'n.
Hindi kilala. Oo nga.
Pero kilala din ako ganyan.
Mamaya na! Artista! Okay.
Oh, yun nawawala for a few days, diba?
Okay, next.
The next one is the lover. The lover means that he has multiple relationships.
Akala ko pa naman lover in a good way.
Kasi he's not contented with one. And ang pang-solve niya ng problem is another
Relationship.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
very stressful to be with.
I can imagine.
Okay.
Next.
This one is maybe someone that you love despite being the critical commentator. He always has an opinion about something. Good or bad, there's always something to say.
Pintasero.
Yeah, oo.
Lahat na lang ng ginawa mo, mali. Di ba yun yung ganun?
Ito ang masarap na asawa, yung comic. Because humor is a bonus in the family.
That's
no?
very true.
So lalo pa, if he's an ideal man, provider, present.
Tapos nakakatawa pa.
Tapos nakakatawa, di ba?
Super jackpot.
Di ba? You have to learn to keep him.
Oo.
I'm sure. Keeper talaga yung... Okay.
Yung asawa kong corny, pero keeper pa rin naman.
He's nagka-try. And last but not the least,
The dreamer, no? He has a lot of things going on in his head. but he does not know how to implement it.
So, lagi siyang parang nagpapaisip.
Yeah, maraming nangyayari sa head na lang niya, nangyayari lahat yun.
Concepts, ideas,
Yes,
ganyan.
he's a
Oo.
planner,
Oo.
but he doesn't know how to execute.
It's saan naman bilong ang mga mister natin and how can we journey with them successfully. So I assume na meron naman mga combo-combo yan. Ano?
Yes, usually yan may mixed profile. Sabi
Right,
ko nga
oo.
earlier, walang ideal man naman eh. Because sana meron, pero...
Maybe an ideal man for one person is different from the ideal man of another.
Yes, it's
that's
always
true.
subjective. It's always subjective.
Yeah, Mars Jenica,
Ay, ako
si
talaga
Hubsters,
nauna.
ano ang profile? Yan, meron tayong
Kasi
Cody.
sabi ni Miss Zania, walang ideal man. Pero ako kasi, nung tinitingnan ko kasi yung mga choices, nandun, hindi ko naman sa sobrang pinapaganda o ano, pero kasi, ganun kasi yung husband ko. Kumbaga, he is a provider, and very, traditional.
Oo.
Parang when we got married, Feb 2014, nasa utak na niya na you will not take soaps anymore. Kasi gusto na natin magka-baby. October that same year, nabuntis na rin ako. So, and even if I tell him that, mahal, may offer tayo. 10 days lang. Ako lang yung batang version.
sandali lang to.
Sandali,
Oo.
10 taping days lang to. Mahal, ganito ang makukuha nating pera. Pwede nating i-down agad sa condo. Ito yung exact conversation namin na. Tapos yung sagot niya, mahal, ano nang sinabi ko sa'yo? Diba nag-work naman ako? Pagdating sa finances, kami na ni God ang nag-uusap dito. So, dun ka na lang sa bahay, intindihin mo na lang si Mori kasi mahihirapan pa siya, masistress ka rin. Kasi magpapump ako ng milk.
That's right. That's
Iiwan
true.
mo siya.
Oh, tapos, iinit din kasi yung ulo ko sa kanya kasi at the back of my mind, I want to work because I want to get the money. But at the same time, I want to be with my child also. So, magkakos lang siya ng strain on our family life eh. So,
Pero 10 days lang naman yun.
yun yung sinabi ko.
Actually, Mars, hindi. Depende kasi sa nakasanayan mo.
Okay,
Kumbaga,
okay.
if you are that kind of parent na hindi ka masistress sa ganon, carry mo.
Pwede.
But, kagaya rin sabi Mars, if it's going to parang put
Cause-
strain,
Right.
then maybe hindi
Oo.
mag-work.
mukhang kilala mo na yung sarili
Sarili
mo.
mo eh.
Nagkataon lang din si Alwin. Kasi, honestly, I'm so in love with my husband now. Especially now that we're already married.
That's such a beautiful thing to say.
Hindi, because I wasn't expecting him to be this kind of man. Parang, all I know is I'm gonna marry this man because I love him and we have something in common, which is our love for God, period.
Oo.
And ang utak ko lang, parang, the money will come from showbiz industry. But surprisingly, I didn't know he had so many talents. He can be a writer. Someone gets him for a directing job. So, pag sinabi niya sa akin, di ba, kapag kailangan naman natin, di ba meron naman akong mga racket para masustain natin yung gusto mong living. So, wala na akong masabi.
Oo nga naman.
Wala, kasi kahit isa lang yung show niya, umaalis siya because he has other work.
Aside from that
Yes,
show.
kaya niya maging cameraman, kaya niya maging photographer ng ganito, ng ganyan. So parang, oo nga naman, mag-aalaga nga talaga ako dito.
Yan!
Reklamo pa ba
Oo,
ako?
wala na akong
Diba?
masabi.
Oh, wonderful. Oh, Mars Maui.
He's 2 of the 8. Ideal and grunter.
Okay.
Combination siya ng dalawa.
Ang saya ng grunter, ha? Gusto ko kasi sabihin na ganun si DJ, pero hindi. Anyway, Mars, go ahead.
With anything that I want kasi siya, he would always want to provide for me. He always makes it a point that he makes me happy.
Nice.
So, siya naman yung palaging, what do you want? This is what you want? Okay, next year, let's go. Kasi sabi ko, after I graduate from culinary school, sabi ko, let's go to Modena, Italy. I want to meet that chef that I idolize. Sabi niya, okay, next year? Yes. Look for tickets na. What do you want to do tomorrow? You want to go to the beach? Let's go to the beach. Ganun naman.
Ang saya naman.
Yun naman siya.
Ikaw, Mars! Ako, parang feeling ko
Combo-combo
lahat naman
natin.
tayo nagpo-fall tayo dun sa ideal because
Totoo.
definitely we would want a husband who is a provider, who has a peaceful heart, among other things, di ba? So, doon siya, tsaka comic.
Masaya.
And I think that's, kasi ako, medyo mababaw yung kaligayahan ko. Kahit corny, natatawa talaga ako dyan. Promise. So, benta sa akin yun eh. Kuya ko, corny siya minsan. As in, kunwari magjo-joke siya, ako lang yung tatawa. Kasi si Liv, yung asawa na yung, benta ka talaga sa kapatid mo. Alam mo, in fairness, sa tagal namin magkasama, parang benta lahat ng joke na sa akin. Oo. So, feeling ko ganun din with BJ. Madali kasi akong patawanin. So, pag inasar niya ako or nag-goof around lang siya, mawawala na yung inis ko. Yun siguro siya.
Nice one, Mars.
You,
Ako,
Mars?
syempre, ideal. Dahil yun yung asawa ko, hindi yun mag-gimmick. Family lang yung focus nun. Kung ano yung gustong gawin namin.
sounds familiar.
Yung mga na mga bagets. Yun lang, hindi siya mabarkada. Hindi, talagang...
Ikaw? Mabarkada.
Wala kang nagsasabi mabarkada, no?
Hindi mo pwedeng pareho kayo.
Oo, nasa bahay lang kami pa. So, baliktad.
Kailangan may maiwan sa bahay.
Thank you po.
Oy, hindi pareho tayo.
Diba?
Siya naiiwan, ako yung lumalabas. Oo.
Pero Agustinian, hindi, Agustinian din si
Agustinian,
Antonio.
oo.
Kami mga Agustinian,
Lahat.
mga layas kasi kami talaga.
Oo, dami
Diba?
best friends.
Super! Yung isa din, comic din siya, pero hindi masyado nakikita ng iba kasi seryoso naman siya eh. So sa akin lang siya, kunwari sa amin ng mga bata, sa amin lang siya super nagpapatawa. Tsaka yung mga sobrang close friends lang namin. Doon lang siya comic. Tsaka English yung jokes niya eh. Mataas pa din eh. Pero, tapos yung isa pa siya, dreamer. Madami siya mga ganung plans. Yung mga tipong, this is it. This is gonna make us rich. What if I want to invent an app. Ganyan lagi yan eh. That it's going to allow you to ganyan. Search mo kaya, baka meron ng app pampasira. Kasi, shucks, meron na. So, many things all rolled into one. Pero it works for me and works for our family.
Yun naman ang mahalaga.
Oo.
Diba? It works for you.
O, ito ang final tip sa mga di pa ma-identify ang kanilang mga husband.
Kay Miss Zenia.
Well, what's important in marriage is for us to know who we are and know your partner, because if you don't know who you are, you don't even know what you want. You don't even know where you're going. So what can your partner give you that will actually make you happy? Diba? So yun eh. It's a balance. He also has to know you.
Yeah.
And he knows himself also. So, yeah.
Man, for those couples who want counseling or a little bit of guidance, is that something you do for everyone? How do they get in touch with you?
I do have an email address. It's zenia.panahon at pusong-pinay.com.
Pinay.com.
I think it's such a good thing to get to know your husband that way. Kasi karamihan sa atin, hindi natin nare-realize na
Yes.
sa kategoryang to,
Yes.
nagfo-fall pala dito yung mga partners natin.
Oo.
Di ba parang akala mo, ganun lang siya. Pero hindi, meron pala silang ganung traits talaga. And it's such a good thing to know na, at least alam ko na ito pala yung ugali niya.
Ika nga ni G.I. Joe, knowing is half the battle.
From Pokemon to G.I. Joe. What's going on?
Bata din, matanda na kasi.
I love it. Thank you so much, Ms. Zenia. Salamat po.
Welcome.
Ayan naman, it's good to hear these things bago kami ikasal.
Correct.
Or for some of us,
Oo.
at least may baon kami.
Meron. At itutodo pa natin ang pabaon with our take-home workout for tonight, ang legs and core workout. I-push natin yan sa pagbabalik ng
Mars!